Hey there, welcome. Today we're going to learn a really cool trick for adding numbers that makes it super easy and, a lot more fun.
So, are you ready to learn a super smart math trick? Let's dive right in and unlock a new math power for your brain. This is going to be great.
All right, first things first. Before we learn the trick, what does it even mean when we say add or plus? Let's find out.
Well, really, it's just about putting groups of things together to see how many you have in total. Kind of like if you put all your Legos in one big pile to count them. Simple as that.
Let's look at an example. Imagine we have 2 yummy red apples sitting right here. Just 2.
And now we're going to add 3 more apples. So we have our first group of 2, and we're bringing in a new group of 3. What happens when we put them all together?
That's right. We have 5 apples altogether. See? We just added them up. 2 apples plus 3 more apples equals 5 apples. You're getting it. Great job.
So when we're adding, what are some things we can use to help us? Well, the good news is we've got some really awesome tools that can help us count.
Of course, we've got our fingers. They're always with us. We can also draw pictures or use toys or little counters. Even a number line is a fantastic math tool. Anything that helps you count works.
Okay, but now, are you ready for a faster way to add? I'm going to show you a super smart trick. It's kind of like a secret that makes adding way faster. So, you could just count everything, which is a good way, but it can be a little slow sometimes. Or, you can use what I call the big number trick. It's a super smart and fast shortcut.
And it's so easy. It only takes 3 little steps. First, you look at the problem and find the biggest number. Step 2, you put that big number in your head and say it out loud. And for the last step, you just use your fingers to count on from there. That's it.
What do you say we practice together? I think you're ready. Come on, you can do it. Let's try it out.
Okay, let's try 5 plus 2. So, which number is bigger, 5 or 2? Yep, it's 5. So, that's our starting number. We always start with the biggest one.
So let's take that number 5 and put it in our head. Can you say it out loud? 5. Okay, it's locked in there. Now, we just need to count on 2 more. Get your fingers ready?
Okay, so we're starting from 5. What comes next? 6. That's 1 more. And 7. That's 2 more. See? We use 2 fingers to count on.
And there's our answer. It's 7. Amazing. 5 plus 2 is 7. You did it. Wasn't that so much faster than starting all the way from 1?
Okay, you're a pro now. How about 7 plus 3? Which number do we start with? That's it, 7, because it's the biggest. All right, put 7 in your head and say it loud, 7. Now, let's count on 3 more from 7. Do it with me. What's next? 8, 9, 10. Perfect. We used 3 fingers to count on.
Yes! The answer is 10. You are doing such an awesome job with this trick. Look how fast you're getting at this stuff. It's incredible. Your math brain is so clever. You're seriously becoming a math superstar. Let's talk about that for a second. The really cool thing about math is that there are often many ways to solve a problem. So, whether you count everything one by one, or you use our new big number trick, what really matters is finding the way that works best for you.
And you know what? Using strategies like this one isn't cheating at all. Nope. It's just a really clever way to help your brain solve problems. It's almost like giving your brain a cool superpower up.
So, for your next math adventure, which strategy will you choose? Keep practicing, have fun with it, and never forget just how smart your amazing math brain is. I can't wait to see all the great things you do.